Hi guys! Today I'm going to be showing you the latest Bratz and Makeup Revolution collection, and this is the second collection since the earlier one came out in June, but this one is based all around the Winter Wonderland Bratz dolls that came out in 2003. So if you're like me and you're hanging on to the noughties, you're gonna love this, and it is literally perfect for Christmas. Okay, so let's get right into it. I'm going to start with the Sleepover Kit, which I'm super excited about, because who doesn't love a good sleepover? And it's so cute. Look at the Bratz. I can't actually believe how much I was obsessed with these back in the day, and I still am, to be honest, because I feel like if you played with Bratz dolls, you're like a baddie now. So inside the Sleepover Kit, you've got this scrunchie, which is super cute and silver and iridescent. And we've also got the sleep mask, which obviously you need for a sleepover. And I'm not going to lie to you, I'll probably use this the next time I get on an aeroplane because I don't even mind representing Bratz. Then we've got this lip oil. So it's going to be super moisturising. And let's get into these little pots here as well. So in that Sleepover Kit, we have got a lip scrub and a lip mask. What I would do is exfoliate my lips first and then apply the lip mask, and you'll literally have like the smoothest lips when you wake up in the morning. We've also got this lip oil, and oh, it's still got that tutti frutti flavour, and look, it's like the rollerball sort of lip glosses that we used to wear, and you can just pop this on like anytime as well. So this is something that I would carry with me as well during the day because it's super moisturising. I love this so much and it goes with my outfit, so I'm just going to put it on now. And tie my hair up. How do I look? This is literally like Throwback Thursday. I love it. Okay, so the next thing is this brush set. And I've actually used this to do my face today, so I can tell you already that these brushes are literally so soft, and I mean, look at this base. Obviously they're good because this base has come out flawless. So we've got one of these angled contour brushes, so I use that for my contour on my face, and I used this brush for my blusher. There's also these eye brushes that you can definitely use with the eyeshadows that also come in the collection, and I'm going to show you as well a little bit later on how we can use those to create a look. And then there's a big fluffy brush that I used with the translucent powder just to make my face a little bit more matte because I do get oily sometimes, and this is something else that you can just pop in your bag. And what I love about this brush collection is that it already comes in the brush holder. So if you're like me and you're going out and you want to make sure that you can top up your makeup at any time, you can just carry this around with you. And it's quite spacious as well, so you could probably put some of your makeup products in there and just carry the whole thing with you on a night out or a day out. It's literally suitable for anything. Next, I've also got the eyeshadow palettes, and it's literally like an eyeshadow for each of the Bratz dolls, which is perfect, so you can kind of mix and match with the characters. First we've got Jade, and if we have a look at the shades, it's a collection of warm tones like cranberries, mulled wine, that sort of vibe. That's what I'm getting, and I feel like these would be so easy to use for like a dramatic glam or even for every day. I love, love, love this shade. This is prom night, and I can just imagine that on like a Christmas party sort of glam. So let's just have a quick swatch to see just how shimmery that is. Wow, it is so nice and shimmery, and you can actually see all the tones as well. So you see how there's like lighter tones in there. It's really coming through in the sparkle, so that is gorge. And now we've got the Yasmin palette, and I have to say she was definitely my favourite. I think like every time a new collection came out, I'd be obsessed with like one person's outfit, but overall I feel like Yasmin wowed me the most. So if we have a look at the shades, oh, another palette with some gorgeous shimmers. Like, look at that. And I just feel like you could do so many looks as well, and you can combine the shades in the palettes, which would be perfect because you do get the whole collection as well as part of the vault. And what's standing out the most to me straight away is this tube top, because look at that purple. It looks so pigmented. So let's have a swatch. Wow. I mean, look at that. Look at the two colours together as well. Just what I was saying about mixing and matching the palettes. Look at how well they actually go. And bearing in mind, I'm swatching this with no primer or anything. And look at the pigmentation in that colour. And now we've got Sasha, and honestly, I think the thing I love the most about the Sasha Bratz doll is just the fact she was black. She was my first black doll, and I was obsessed. Like, that just didn't happen, and I don't know, it felt like I had a bit of representation. So, if we look at the shades, it's like greens and golds, so very like royal, which is great because Sasha definitely gives me that like royalty vibe. She is just that girl. So I think looking at it, the shade I would love to try is, ooh, I don't even know, they all look so good. Should we go for another shimmer? I think another shimmer. Okay, let's do Feel the Groove. It's like a greeny shimmer. So let's swatch. Oh my. Oh. Look at it. I don't know. Are we building a look here? Because these colours look so good together. Is this a look? Like, And look at how good that green looks as well with my skin tone. I'm obsessed. Last but not least, we've got Chloe, our blonde bombshell. And if we have a look, we've got a lot of beautiful blues. I'm assuming because she's got beautiful blue eyes, but this goes with my outfit as well. So I feel like we have to try a few of these. So I think I'm actually going to go for Dreamy, which is this beautiful silver tone, because it's just reminding me of snow. And I'm also gonna try Out of the Blue, because why not? So we'll start with Dreamy, which is the silver. Oh my god, look at it! Ah! Oh wow. I mean, look at that. I cannot believe the colour payoff with no primer. This is insane. And if I try the Out of the Blue as well. Okay. Oh, that is just beautiful. And look at them together as well. That blue and silver. Gorgeous. So now I really can't decide which colours I want to play with on my eyes. So, I've loved that green, but maybe we should do blue just because I'm wearing blue. So I'm going to use the brushes that are in my brush collection. And I've got a wing already that I actually did using the liquid liner pen from the previous Bratz collection. And I think I just want to make my eye like shimmer and then maybe add the silver on the inside of the eye. And I'm going to be using the mirror that comes on the palette as well. So if we start with the Out of the Blue shade that we just swatched, I've added a little bit onto my brush and I'm going to put that pretty much just all over my lid. I mean, hello. What do we think? I'm loving that blue. And then for the silver colour, I'm going to use this rounded sort of brush. This one. Because it's a lot smaller, so we can get a bit of precision when we just put that on the inner corner. So let's use Dreamy. That was literally such an easy look to achieve, and yeah, it's so effective. Like, I've got a bit of drama in there, and that took me about 2 seconds. I'm just going to go back in with my liner, and it's so easy to use. I'm just going to put it over where the eyeshadow kind of got onto. In the collection, we've also got this lip vault, and I'll show you what's inside. So at the top, we've got the 4 liquid lipstick shades, and then at the bottom, we've got some shimmery lip glosses. What I love about this set is you can literally mix and match the shades to create different lip combos, and you could even mix and match the liquid lipsticks and the lip glosses. So I think for this look, because we've got the silver in the eye, I'm actually going to go for the clear gloss that's got a little bit of the opalescent shimmer in it. I'm going to put this on my lips now, and then we'll have a look at some of the other shades. So I think I made the right choice there, because this goes so well with the eye makeup that we've done already, and my lips look so like big and juicy. And you know, with the Bratz dolls as well, one of the things that's really iconic about them is their lips. So I feel like having this kit kind of gives you a little flavour of what it's like to be a real life Bratz doll. I think red is just a must for everyone, because a red lip and like simple makeup is just the perfect look. Like, you're not trying too hard, and this red is super bright as well. So if we just swatch it on my hand here, oh, I mean, look at that shade. That is so gorgeous. Now I kind of wish I'd gone for a red lip, but I will definitely be wearing this during the Christmas season. So the next shade is this beautiful pink, and it's like bubblegum pink, so it looks super bright once again, and look at the colour on that. And I just don't even think you need too much as well, because this is a lot of colour and I've only dipped it in once. So we'll swatch a lip gloss as well. This is the brownie sort of shade. Another must-have, especially for me, because I love brown lip gloss with any look. It's like my nude, I guess. So if we have a look, it's such a deep, rich shade, and it's got pink shimmers in it, which I think is just beautiful. I just love these shades because of how pigmented they are, and I definitely can't wait to have a play around with them. I mean, seriously, this is such a great gift, because not only is it aesthetically pleasing, like, imagine opening up your present on Christmas Day and you see Bratz dolls on the front. I would be screaming. But on top of that, you get eight lip shades. And you can literally wear these all year round. You've got a good range of like the more dramatic shades, or if you want to be a bit more subtle, you've got some beautiful nudes. This is literally perfect for like everyday wear, and it's not sticky. Like, my lips aren't even sticking together. It's such a nice formula. It feels like it's moisturising as well, so I don't know if they did that on purpose, but I love it. And last but not least, in the winter collection, we've got hair dyes. I've got the Sasha one here, but there is a different hair dye for each of the Bratz dolls. So you've got 4 different shades, and 2 of the shades are for blonde hair and 2 of the shades are for like brown to dark brown hair. So I've actually tried this red hair dye already. Look at how gorgeous and bright that is. I've only done it on a strip of hair extensions, just so I can add like some highlights to my hair. But the good thing is, even if I didn't want to be red forever, it is semi-permanent, so eventually it will wash out, and it only takes 30 minutes to achieve this level of colour. Like, that is insane. And the instructions as well are super easy to follow. So what I'm going to do is clip these in so we can have a look at how this is going to amplify and elevate my look. What do we think? I've literally put the strip just underneath, so it's like, you know when people used to do the two-toned hair back in the noughties? It's exactly like that. And it's just such an easy way to just make your look different, and especially because I have put it on like hair extensions, I can decide when I want to wear it, and if I don't want to wear it that day, I can just clip it back out. So it's just an easy way to be a bit more versatile with my look. And I have to say as well, is this not the perfect like cherry red? So here we are, a perfect winter Bratz doll. And tell me what you guys think. Whose vibe am I giving off the most? Do you think I look like Sasha or Jade, Yasmin or Chloe? Let me know in the comments. This collection will be available to purchase from the 17th of November. So you've got plenty of time to get it before Christmas and wrap it up for all of your loved ones. And I'm going to put the prices as well down in the description box. It's so affordable considering what you're getting in the collection, so you can decide if you want to buy all of the products or if you just want to buy some of them. But I promise whoever you buy it for is going to be super happy, and they'll definitely be looking 10 out of 10 for Christmas, New Year's and all year round.